Here we have column of the first name which contains the names in the lowercase, but generally we write the name as the first letter as a capital followed by all the small letters. But in the Power BI desktop right now we don't have any DAX function which will give us the result such as first capital followed by the small letters. We have it in Power BI query editor, but we don't have in the Power BI desktop. Okay, but it doesn't mean we can't do it. We can do it, but before that, if you have come directly to this lecture, first go to the upper right and left videos, watch it, and then come here. Then you will understand all the DAX. So just go to the new column. To make this, we have to actually make use of several functions to give the result as first letter capital followed by the small letters. So we'll give the name first as suppose C underscore name, C for the capital of the first letter is equal to, we'll use the upper function which already I have made the video of it. Upper, it demands us the text. If I provide the text, if I provide this column to it, all the JON will be in the uppercase. But I don't want that. I just want first letter to be the capital. So LEFT. I'll use the function left. Inside upper, I'll use the function left, and then I'll provide the column first name. You can also give the number of characters as I want this first letter to be capital, but if we don't provide, you can provide this, but if we don't provide one, by default it consider only one or left first letter means that is J. You can write one, or you, if you don't want, you don't write it. Okay, so I want the uppercase of the left letter, left first letter to be the capital. I want that. I'll close the parenthesis. Okay, so this will only give me a J as a capital. I'll hit enter. I'll show you. If we just give JERCEJ, the first letter capital, but we want even the rest of the letters, right? So for this, we have to continue writing our tags. Now we have used the left function, and for the remaining we have to use right function. But before that, I want to join those letter, so I'll pass, or I'll write ampersand, then right. I'll use right function. It also demand the text and number of characters. I'll provide text as a first name, and instead of length of the character, instead of the number, I will actually provide a length of the character by using the len function. I'll use len function, first name, close the parenthesis, and minus 1. Why minus 1? So it must not consider the first letter. Excluding the first letter, it should consider all the other letters, and it should process only the other letters other than the one. That's why minus 1. Close the parenthesis, and hit enter. Here you have name. J is capital, E is capital, R is capital, all of them followed by the small letters. This is how you can make first letter capital followed by small letters in the Power BI desktop itself, writing this DAX.